What we had discussed yesterday, we discussed about the agricultural practices. We discussed in this agriculture practices, 7 agriculture practices are there. Okay. Number 1, that is the preparation of the soil, right? In that preparation of soil, how the soil is prepared for sowing the good seeds, for sowing the seeds, how soil is prepared. So preparation of soil, number 1, that is the preparation of soil. Under this first point, that is the preparation of soil, it is done by 2 ways. One is called plowing and second is called leveling. Second is called leveling. Right, bacha? Plowing, this is the first step, okay, of growing crops. It is, you can say, 2 ways. One is the plowing and second is the leveling. Okay, ji? What do you mean by plowing? The process of loosening the soil. The process of loosening and turning of soil. What is plowing? The process of loosening and टर्निंग ऑफ सॉइल. सॉइल को ऊपर नीचे लूज करना और टर्न करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्लोइंग. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड टिलिंग. इसको हम टिलिंग भी बोलते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड टिलिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ लूजनिंग एंड टर्निंग ऑफ सॉइल इज कॉल्ड टिलिंग. राइट राइट बच्चे. We discussed कि loosening and turning of soil is called tilling, and why I told you why loosening of soil is important. So again we are discussing that question. I am going to discuss that question again. Why loosening of soil is important. क्यों important है? As we discussed yesterday also, कि loosening of soil is why it is important. It have more air spaces. मतलब by loosening of soil, more air spaces will be there. More air spaces. So roots can breathe easily. Clear bete? So roots can breathe easily. Second, holds more water. Second is holds more water. Third is helps to penetrate, helps roots to penetrate deep soil. Helps roots to penetrate deep in the soil. Helps in mixing manures. Helps in mixing manures. Right? Another point you can say, you can write by plowing, yeah, by loosening of the soil, microbes will come upward, like ऊपर की तरफ आ जाएंगे. It promotes the growth of microorganism. Growth of microbes. Promotes the growth of microbes. Promotes the growth of microbes. ठीक है. अब microbes क्या करेंगे? They will add humus to the soil. They will add humus to the soil. ठीक है. By Loosening is important. Why loosening of soil is important? Because it helps roots can breathe easily, holds more water, roots penetrate deep into the soil, helps in mixing manures, right? Helps to promote the growth of the microbes. So they will add the more humus to the soil. This purpose we will do the loosening. Clear? Okay. Is this point clear to everyone, bache? Now, after plowing, we will do the leveling. After plowing, the land should be leveled. Okay, the land should be leveled and pressed smoothly or pressed tightly with the help of the wooden plank or iron leveler. Means after plowing, the land should be leveled properly. Okay, ji? Write down. After plowing, leveling should be done. Okay, land should be leveled and pressed tightly. Land should be leveled and pressed tightly. With the help of wooden plank और आयरन लेवलर, इन दो चीजों से हम लोग इसको लेवल करते हैं. Now this is the point that after plowing the leveling should be there, leveling must be there. But again the question will come, why it is necessary, why it is important, why leveling should be done, हमें क्यों करनी चाहिए? We can write one another point here. It is done with the, it is done by animals or tractors. It is done by animals or tractors. This question तो हो गया कि leveling, after plowing the leveling should be done. अब question can come, why leveling should be done? हमें leveling करनी क्यों है? So write down the question. Why leveling should be done, right? क्यों करनी है हमें ये leveling? What is the purpose? Why leveling should be done, right? What is the main purpose? So that the big pieces of the rocks, like जो soil के बड़े बड़े pieces नीचे से निकलते हैं, तो it will be, that is called the crumbs, वो crushed हो जाए. ठीक है? So write down big pieces of soil crumbs crushed easily. जो मिट्टी के बहुत बड़े बड़े पीसेस बन जाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रम्स. ठीक है, इकट्ठी हो जाती है, गीली होने से जो मिट्टी के ढेले बन जाते हैं, दैट आर कॉल्ड क्रम्स एंड इट शुड बी क्रश्ड इजीली सो दैट पूरी सॉइल जो है वो इक्वल हो जाए, राइट? हेल्प्स टू प्रिवेंट सॉइल इरोजन, हेल्प्स टू प्रिवेंट सॉइल इरोजन, क्योंकि अगर स्मूथनिंग हो गई, लेवलिंग हो गई, then soil will not be washed, right? Though it should be leveled properly. Thirdly, it helps in uniform distribution of water and minerals, so that water and minerals should be properly mixes with the soil. Is it clear? Clear, Eknoor, Yashika, Bani, clear? Right? Why we used to do? Okay. अब when we have to do the plowing or the leveling, ठीक है? How we will do? मतलब naturally I am saying कि it is done with the help of the animals or by the tractors. ठीक है? Animals, क्या animals walk करेंगे मिट्टी पे तो वो level हो जाएगी या plowing हो जाएगी? No. That means by using animals or the tractors, we are having some kind of the tools. That is called agricultural implements. ठीक है? That is called agricultural implements. Up for doing these activities, what kind of the tools we are using? There are three tools: plow, hoe, and cultivator. We will use three different techniques. One is called plow, second is called hoe, and third one is cultivator. Right? Third one is called cultivator. What is plow? It is used for the tilling, scraping the soil. Scrap करना, उसको खरोंचना, scraping the soil, removing the weeds, and you can say manuring. You can say all this is done. अब actually plow बना कैसे है? It is just like this. Like this. Here it is. Beam is there. ये जो है, this triangular region, it is made like you can say iron का बना होता है. This is plow. This is plow. Diagrams will not come. No need to draw the diagram. I am just telling it to you or to clear the concept. That's why I am telling. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? This is beam. This is beam that is put on the bull's neck. जो bull की neck पे रखते हैं so that it can driven. Right? This is plow shaft. Wooden rod होती है. That is called plow shaft. And this is plow shear. This is plow shear. It has a this one. ये जो triangular है, this triangular portion is there. ठीक है जी, this triangular portion is there. That is the made with the iron. ठीक है, it will help. It will help to remove or doing the leveling. ठीक है, उस purpose के लिए we will use it. Right? I'm just showing you. Wait a while. Yes, you can see. You can see very carefully in your NCERT book. The diagram is there. You can see the diagram. ये देखो. Here you can see. Is it visible to everyone? Karan, visible है? Just tell me. Nod your head. Is it visible? Okay. Now you can see. This is the plow shaft. A wooden rod, that is the plow shaft. Right? And here is the plow shear, which is having the, ये देखो आगे जो grayish white है, that is called the triangular. ये हमारे पास एक iron है, iron का बना है, and this is beam. ये जो beam है मैंने पीछे बनाया है, it is put on the bull's neck, so that's why they can take it easily. Clear bete? And the second instrument or the implement or the tool that is used by the farmers, that is the hoe. ये एक बहुत सिंपल सा टूल होता है. Hoe is a very simple tool which is used for removing the weeds. Weeds are what? Unwanted plants. weeds are what? Unwanted plants, ठीक है, to remove the weeds and for loosening the soil, ठीक है. लॉन्ग रोड है सेम, हो भी सेम लॉन्ग रोड होती है वुड की, आयरन की स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रॉड बेंट प्लेट होती है आयरन की विच इज फिक्स टू वन एंड. आई एम शोइंग इट, वेट अ व्हाइल. दिस इज हो, this is hoe. You can see the diagram of the hoe. It is a bent plate. It is help to remove the weeds, for loosening the soil, ठीक है, for this purpose. Okay. And the third one is, that is also very important, that is the cultivator. Cultivator, you can see in this picture, cultivator is driven by the tractor, ठीक है. ये देखो ट्रैक्टर के पीछे क्या है, look here, it is done, ये जो है डन बाय ट्रैक्टर, ठीक है. अब इसमें क्या है, इट इज डन बाय ट्रैक्टर. व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग दीस डेज, वी आर यूजिंग दिस कल्टीवेटर? Naturally, it saves time. It saves our time and labor. It saves our time and labor because it is done with the help of the machine. तो ये हमारा टाइम और लेबर दोनों बचा रहे हैं. इसमें होता क्या है, इस तरह से like this, है ना. When they will move, they scraping the soil. स्क्रैपिंग द सॉइल, डबल साइड होता है, ये दो होते हैं इसमें, एक इस साइड एक और एक इस साइड. सो इट कैन इजीली डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मशीन. तो बाय डूइंग दिस, व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द कल्टीवेटर्स? बिकॉज इट सेव्स आवर टाइम एज वेल एज लेबर. क्लियर बच्चे? implements, agriculture implements are clear. 3 implements we are using: plow, cultivate, hoe and cultivator. What is hoe? Simple tool है to remove the weeds and loosening the soil, ठीक है जी. And cultivator driven by tractor and it saves the labor as well as the time. Is it clear? Is it clear beta? The next, after preparation of soil, you should know the diagrams at least, because identification, if the identification will come, you can write the names of these implements. Second step, that is the preparation of soil. After that, that is the sowing, selection and the sowing of the seeds. The next step is selection, यानी कि you can say पहले second step हमारे पास है sowing. Sowing के लिए सबसे पहले the first step we will see selection of good seeds. ठीक है? Before sowing we have to choose the good seeds. We have to choose the good seeds. That comes under the selection of seeds. Write down selection of good seeds. Selection of good seeds. ठीक है जी. Sowing we will discuss in 2 parts. One is the selection and after that we will see how we will sow the seeds in the soil. First step is selection of good seeds. ठीक है? Is it clear? Plants grown from the seeds. Plants grow from seeds. So what precautions that the farmer should adopt to choose the seeds? What precautions he will take? What precautions he will take to choose good seeds? I will perform the activity by tomorrow, how we will choose the good seeds. But I'm just asking, what precaution should be taken by the farmers before for choosing the good seeds? क्या करेगा वो? कौन सी precautions लेगा? क्योंकि naturally जो crop है, that is if healthy crops we want, that is done with the help of the good seeds. So what kind of the precaution he will take? What kind of the precaution he will take? Definitely he will choose the healthy seeds. ठीक है? वो देखेगा कि कोई seeds जो हैं वो weak ना हो, कोई खराब ना हो, ठीक है, जिनमें से अच्छी तरह से हो सके. That is done with the help of the precautions taken by the farmers. Write down the question here. What precaution should be taken while selecting seed? Question लिखो. What precautions should be taken what precautions should be taken, what precautions should be taken for selecting good seed या while selecting seeds, हमें कौन कौन सी precaution लेनी चाहिए while selecting seeds? क्योंकि अगर seeds ही हमारे सही नहीं होंगे then we are not able to get the good crop. So हमें क्या क्या लेना चाहिए? Clean, healthy, disease free should be selected. Clean, healthy and disease free seeds should be selected. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हमें ये चीज का ध्यान रखना है. फिर हम क्या रखते हैं? सीड्स शुड बी ट्रीटेड विद फंगिसाइड्स. सीड्स शुड बी treated फंगिसाइड so that उनको कोई भी बीमारी ना लगे. We can grow proper good सीड्स को सो कर सकें. ठीक है जी. अब for this there is one technique. There is one technique to choose a healthy seeds that we will do with the help of an activity by tomorrow. Right? Tomorrow we will do the activity to select the good seeds. Okay? Is it clear?